Your home could be hemorrhaging hundreds of dollars annually through overlooked, drafty windows. These seemingly minor issues secretly undermine your comfort and inflate monthly energy costs significantly. Even a tiny gap around a window frame allows substantial heat or cool air to escape relentlessly. Ignoring these small problems invites larger, more expensive structural damage over time. Surprisingly quickly, many homeowners perceive window repairs as complicated, requiring specialized tools or professional help. You might encounter condensation between panes, stubborn sashes refusing to open, or tiny cracks appearing. These common nuisances often get postponed, leading to prolonged discomfort and escalating property issues. However, numerous window imperfections are surprisingly simple to address with basic tools and minimal effort. Tackling these quick fixes yourself instantly boosts your home's energy efficiency and overall living comfort. Think of the significant financial savings from reduced heating and cooling demands throughout the year. Moreover, proactive maintenance prevents minor issues from transforming into costly, major renovation projects later. A well-maintained window not only performs better, but also significantly enhances your home's aesthetic appeal. You gain satisfaction from completing these improvements yourself, adding value without hiring expensive contractors. Understanding these accessible solutions empowers you to protect your investment and maintain a cozy indoor environment. This guide will reveal several straightforward DIY window repairs, requiring only common household materials to begin. Prepare to transform your drafty, dysfunctional windows into efficient, beautiful elements of your cherished living space. Identifying draft remains the crucial first step for improving window energy performance and sealing gaps. Hold a lit candle or a piece of tissue paper near window edges on a breezy day, watching for movement. If the flame flickers or the tissue dances, you have found an air leak needing immediate attention and repair. For minor gaps around the frame, applying a fresh bead of caulk creates an impermeable barrier against outside elements. Worn-out weather stripping also allows significant air infiltration into your home, ensuring flexibility and long-lasting weather resistance effectively. Clean the surface thoroughly before application, ensuring strong adhesion and a smooth, professional-looking finish. But that's not the only culprit. Worn-out weather stripping also allows significant air infiltration into your home. Replace old, brittle weather stripping along the sash and frame by carefully peeling it away and cleaning the channel. Measure the existing stripping precisely, then cut new foam, felt, or V-strip material to fit each section perfectly. Press the new weather stripping firmly into place, ensuring a tight seal when the window closes completely and securely. Next, addressing sticky window sashes often involves simple cleaning and lubrication, making windows glide smoothly once more. Accumulated dirt, paint, or debris in the tracks commonly causes sashes to bind, requiring minimal effort for resolution. First, thoroughly clean the window tracks using a stiff brush or vacuum, removing all visible grime and obstructions. For stubborn dirt, a damp cloth with mild detergent can effectively loosen and remove built-up residue completely. Wait until you hear what comes next for smoother operation. A light application of lubricant makes all the difference. Apply silicone spray lubricant or rub a bar of paraffin wax along the clean tracks and sash edges gently. This simple lubrication significantly reduces friction, allowing the window to open and close with effortless ease. Small cracks in window panes, though alarming, often do not necessitate full glass replacement immediately. For hairline cracks, a specialized glass repair kit offers a temporary, yet effective solution to prevent further damage. Begin by meticulously cleaning the cracked area, ensuring no dust or debris interferes with the resin's adhesion process. Carefully apply the clear resin from the kit directly into the crack, allowing it to penetrate fully and deeply. Cover the resin with the provided curing film, then expose it to direct sunlight or a UV lamp as instructed. And then something unexpected happened. This cures the resin, making the crack almost invisible and structurally sound. Finally, addressing minor rot on wooden windowsills prevents extensive water damage and costly future repairs. Early detection of soft or discolored wood signals the start of decay, needing prompt intervention for effective recovery.
Use a screwdriver or chisel to carefully scrape away all soft, rotten wood until you reach firm, healthy material.
Clean the excavated area thoroughly, ensuring it is dry and free of any loose particles before proceeding with the filler. Needing prompt intervention for effective recovery, following manufacturer instructions for mixing and application precisely and carefully. This robust filler hardens into a durable, waterproof surface, perfectly mimicking the original wood's strength and texture. Shape the filler while it is still pliable, matching the original sill profile for a seamless, aesthetically pleasing repair. Once fully cured, sand the repaired area smooth, blending it seamlessly with the surrounding original wooden structure. Implementing these simple DIY window fixes dramatically improves your home's energy efficiency and overall comfort levels. You will immediately notice fewer drafts, consistent indoor temperatures, and a significant reduction in outside noise intrusion. Imagine the satisfaction of lowering your energy bills each month, reclaiming money previously lost through inefficient windows. Beyond savings, a well-proactive sealed repairs home prevent tiny feels issues from cozier in winter and cooler in escalating into major summer damage down the road, enhancing your daily living experience profoundly. These small, a well-proactive sealed repairs home prevent tiny feels issues from cozier in winter and cooler in escalating into major summer damage down the road. Addressing a hairline crack now avoids the expense of replacing an entire window pane later, saving considerable time and money. Fixing a sticky sash means effortless window operation, improving ventilation and making daily tasks less frustrating. Repairing minor sill rot protects your home's structural integrity, preventing widespread water damage to walls and floors. Furthermore, well-maintained windows contribute significantly to your property's curb appeal and overall market value. Prospective buyers appreciate a home where meticulous care has been taken, even in the smallest, often overlooked details. You gain a powerful sense of accomplishment by successfully completing these essential home improvement tasks yourself. This newfound confidence encourages tackling other DIY projects, further enhancing your home and practical skill set. Empowering yourself with these basic repair skills offers independence from relying on expensive professional services constantly. Your home becomes a more comfortable, efficient, and beautiful sanctuary, protected by your own diligent efforts. More energy-efficient home environment, attractive assets, reflecting pride in your living space. Embrace these quick repairs to safeguard your investment and enjoy a dramatically improved, more energy-efficient home environment. Reflecting pride in your living space, simple DIY window repairs offer remarkable benefits for your home, saving money and boosting comfort immediately. Proactive maintenance truly makes a difference, turning potential problems into easily managed, rewarding projects effectively. Remember, even minor fixes contribute significantly to your home's longevity and overall energy performance over time. Start addressing those small window issues today and experience the transformative impact firsthand, very quickly. Empower yourself with these easy solutions, enhancing your home's value and your daily living experience immediately. If you found these practical tips helpful, subscribe for more ingenious home repair guides and insightful content. Hit the like button to show your support, and share your own favorite window repair hacks in the comments below.